cues for this game. What's going to happen, Michael and Lauren, is that there will be a scene taking place out here, and Michael and Lauren will be supplying all of the sound effects for that scene. The actors will do all the speaking. You won't have to talk for the actors, but if they're walking across the floor, perhaps that might make a sound. If they're doing anything, we need to hear the sound for that. And each of you will be assigned a certain actor. Brad and Sean will be our actors for this scene. Lauren, you will make the sounds for Brad. Everything Brad does, you will supply the sounds. We just ask you to swallow that, just get the mic right up by your mouth and go for it. And Michael, you will provide all the sounds for Sean. Can you handle that? And just go to town, whatever your creativity will come forth. What I need from you, who's going to start? Sean, what would you like from the audience for this?
How about a location? How about, where would you go for life's greatest adventure?
Where would you go for life's greatest adventure?
Belize.
Belize. Belize. Does that sound right? Belize. This next scene will have something to do with Belize. Are you guys ready? Here we go.
That's automatic.
Oh, watch out, dictating!
This has got a GPS on it. Silence. Well, I'll find him. I'll find him. There's no bounty I can't bring back. Here in the marsh of Belize. I will get my man.
Excuse me, sir. I'm with the Belize Police. Do you have a permit for that gun?
Matter of fact, I do.
May I see it?
Louder than the gun.
I have a silencer on my wallet. And it looks good. What are you using the gun for?
Well, bounty hunt.
Can I help? I know this
Sure.
area pretty well.
All right.
I know that this is a marsh that we're standing in.
I kind of don't need you. My gun's also a GPS.
Well,
You want to just come along for the fun of it?
definitely.
Follow me.
Who you hunting?
Who am I hunting?
Yeah.
B.J. McFarland.
I've seen him lately. Follow me.
I see him. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I stepped on a duck.
Hang on a second. I'm going to go ahead and pull out the bear trap.
To catch B.J. McFarland?
Yeah!
I don't know. Let's see. Let me test it. See how it works. I'm sorry. I used my siren stick. I didn't mean that. Here, let me just take this rock and throw it and see if this bear trap works. That's a female bear trap.
You better let me set it off. I'm going to use my own human foot.
Don't be careful.
Oh, it made it bark.
I don't think that's gonna work.
I got an idea. Let's not use this. Not you!
Hillbillies.
We shouldn't do this on the golf course.
All right.
You got any ideas?
Yeah, I do.
Good ideas?
Yeah, I do. I got my trunk of stuff right here. Forgot to set the alarm. I couldn't turn that off here. Here. Got my telescope. 2 parts. There he is! I see him!
Step back! I got a grenade!
Dude, you got an arm!
I used to play Ford Duster.
Oh, yeah. Got a new carburetor, doesn't it? I'll get the back seat. Oil in the world.
I got glass pipes on this baby. Listen to this.
Hey, what is this Pee Wee Herman doll doing in the back seat? Can I pull it straight? Go ahead. I didn't know Pee Wee Herman had a farting doll.
And that's